The main ingredient in the fish bait I'm preparing is cornmeal. 2 small cups of cornmeal are enough. If you don't have cornmeal, you can use wheat flour instead, but the effect won't be the same. I'll use vanilla sugar, which is also used in cakes, to add flavor. To get the consistency I want in the dough, I add 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I also add garlic, which gives very effective results with freshwater fish. Now it's time to knead the dough thoroughly. Don't rush and check the consistency of your dough from time to time. I add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. This will prevent the dough from drying out. Our fish bait is almost ready, but now I want to give you an extra tip. This is powdered pellet bait. I will add about 1 teaspoon. If you have this product on hand, you can add it before you start mixing so you don't have to mix it a second time. And also, putting some vegetable oil on your glove will make the kneading process easier. This batter is especially effective for freshwater fish species such as salmon, barbel, carp, and freshwater mullet. Many useful contents await you on my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. If stored in the refrigerator, it won't spoil easily and can be used for a long time. If you won't be using it for a long time, leave it in the refrigerator compartment. I'm going salmon fishing in 2 days, so I'll leave it in the vegetable compartment. I wish you all good luck.